Welcome back to Giving Chances Farm. Today we're back at it in the morning, trying to get the morning chores done before I leave for work. So we've already got her on the stand, and Brittany's already starting to milk. So we'll see if we can get it done today without her spilling some milk. It's been a busy weekend, so we tried 2 farmers markets this weekend. Normally lately we've only been doing one. Got a call that another one close by, their honey dealer was leaving, so they asked us to come and try it out. So we did. It was a little bit smaller one than what the one we go to is, so it was a little bit different, but it made for a busy weekend. So at least the weather was nice both days. It was in the 70s both days, so it wasn't too bad as far as that's concerned. But it put us a little bit behind on our time frame, because we normally milk around 5, and that one's about 45 minutes away from us, and it didn't end till 5. So by the time we cleaned up and drove home, we were about an hour past on our nightly milking for her yesterday. So so we might be a little bit less coming out today than what we normally get, but yeah. And I'm not sure, since this is our first goat to milk, I'm not sure if it's just the way it happens or not, but she seems like, even though we're milking her twice a day, I would say probably for the last 4 or 5 days at least, the amount of milk we're getting out of her is reducing just a little bit. So we were getting just barely shy of a half a gallon per milking. Now I would say she's probably just over a pint. Alright, we made it through this time without her knocking it over. For those of you that are new to the channel, haven't seen us milk before, after we're done milking, we use Fight Back. It's a teat disinfectant, and it also controls mastitis as well. Basically what it does is it's a little bit colder spray supposedly, and it will help kind of reduce the size of the hole in the teat, because when you're squeezing on it, you actually open it up, make it bigger, so the milk comes out. So alright, now that we're done milking, we just give her a little bit of a chance to finish eating her food. She's finally gotten used to our routine and slowed down on her eating. When we first got her, she would basically just inhale her food, and we couldn't get done with the milking fast enough for her to be done with the food. And once she got done with the food, she would dance around on the stand, so it got a little bit hard to milk without her kicking the bucket. So now about the only time that she'll raise a foot up is if there's a fly on her or something like that, or if she gets kind of spooked, like the last video where I got in a hurry and tried to reach for the fight back spray instead of waiting on her to be done, and she ended up kicking the bucket over. So Brittany's throwing hay in for the goats now, and we'll let hot chocolate back in there for now.
There you go.
We need to put more mineral in there too. So
I'll get you some paper in just a second.
Brittany's gonna get her a scoop of mineral to put in there. We're using the Durafirm mineral. So that's pretty similar to what we've used for the cows. For the cows, we use Vitafirm's Concept Aid. So the Durafirm is basically the the goat's version. That way we can prep them for breeding here. I think we're shooting for the end of October, first part of November, if I remember right from the numbers. I'll have to look at that again. Then we'll come out. Next, she'll be feeding Brownie, the girl's pony. He gets oats and a pony feed, and then we'll feed him hay, and then we'll feed the cats, and we'll get out of here. Chickens are already taken care of for the day, and then she'll check on the cows after she gets the girls off to school. So hope everybody enjoys the videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share on social media, and we'll see you on the next one.